Hello traders, welcome back. This is day 35 of my 1 minute binary option trading challenge. I started this challenge with $100. Now after 34 trading days, the account stands at $14,494. In this video, I am going to take 2 trades, all using my 1 minute binary option strategies. And I'll teach you the exact strategies step by step so that you guys can apply the same while trading. Let's go. This video is not financial advice. Everything shown here reflects my personal trading journey and is shared for educational purpose only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and trading decisions. Trading carries significant risk and results may vary depending on your experience, strategy, and risk management. These videos are simply me documenting what I do in the markets. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. Currently, I am watching Euro British Pound chart and I can see clearly visible support and resistance which can be used for a reversal trade. So let's first mark the zone and then we will wait patiently for the price to retest the same zone. So let's draw this support level. It's a clearly visible support that can be used for a reversal trade. And if we create a resistance, then this particular zone is our resistance zone, and now we can wait patiently for the price to retest either the resistance or the support. Once price reach any of these zone, we will look for confirmation from the sellers or buyers and then we will trade accordingly. So I'm going to place my reversal trade if the conditions are met according to the strategy rules, in which we will wait for the 1 minute candle to close. So right now price is in between the zone. Let's wait for the price to retest this resistance or the support, and once price reach the zone, I will look for confirmation and will place a 1 minute reversal trade accordingly. Let's wait now. Price hit the resistance zone, so chances of reversal are high. Let's wait for the 1 minute candle to close. It will close in the next 2 seconds and the 1 minute candle closes inside, which means there is no breakout, and if there is no breakout, we can expect reversal. I will place my trade if I get strong selling confirmation here. The 1 minute candle closes at the resistance, and yes, that's the confirmation, and I have placed the first trade of today's session in the downward direction. Let's understand the logic behind this trade. As I was explaining you that we have this support and this resistance zone that can be used for a reversal trade. This is a ranging market, and the price in ranging market usually respects support and resistance zone. In this case, I draw this resistance because you can see this was the wick rejection level and this was the body level. So this was a whole resistance zone for me. I waited for the price to retest. Price goes up. This 1 minute candle closes below the resistance without a breakout, which means the price will not break this zone and chances of reversal were high. So to place a trade, I just open the 5-second chart. Right now we are running in loss and we won the trade at the very last second. Let's understand the logic. So the 1 minute candle closes here without any breakout. So if there is no breakout, we can expect that price will reverse. Here you can see price tried to go up again, formed a doji and then a gap down opening. After that, a strong selling candle. It was a sign that price will go down. Why? Because if you look carefully, this particular level was the recently rejected level where the buyer pushes the price when the price was going down. So this particular level was broken here by this candle. It was showing that sellers are strong and no buyers are pushing here right now. So I placed my trade here, and after that you can see that price is now falling. So our analysis was simple. If there is no breakout, the price will reverse. There was no breakout, so I took a reversal trade when I have a selling confirmation. The price will only reverse from this resistance if sellers are interested. To check if sellers are interested, I use 5-second chart, and when I have strong confirmation, I place my trade and we booked profit on the first trade. Let's find one more trading opportunity and then we will end this session. On Euro British Pound, as price recently expanded this resistance zone, now I will use this newly formed resistance for a reversal. Let's wait now for the price to retest this zone again. If price gave another trading opportunity from the same zone, I will place a reversal trade using the same strategy. If price started falling, I will use this support level for the reversal. Let's wait now. Price hit the resistance level here, and now I will wait for the 1 minute candle to close. I'll apply the same trading strategy that we used here. Let's wait how this candle will close. If it closes without any breakout from this resistance level, we will look for reversal confirmation from the seller's end, and then we will apply the strategy. The 1 minute candle closes near to the resistance, so chances of reversal are high. Let's open the 5-second chart, and we have clear confirmation here. I will wait for retracement. Will place my trade at a better level. This is a good level for trade placement. Let's wait. Okay, it's not giving me the opportunity. You can see that we kind of missed this trading opportunity. It was a good trading setup, but I failed to close. I failed to open the 5-second chart earlier, and then when I open, it was here. Okay, price retracing back again. Let's target another reversal trade. We should wait for the 1 minute candle to retrace back again. Let's wait for this candle to close. If it closes without any breakout here, I'll place a trade. We missed this trading opportunity. It was a clear trading opportunity, but I was late. Let's open the 5-second chart now, because price approaching the same resistance one more time. The 1 minute candle will close in the next 7 seconds, and if there is no breakout, we will expect a reversal. Okay, the 1 minute candle closes inside. There is no breakout from the sellers, sorry, from the buyers, and now we can expect reversal. I don't feel that we have good levels to trade here. This is not a good level to place a sell trade. I will avoid this setup. I think this is not good right now. I just want to place my trade near to this resistance. Don't want to place my trade here, because price can retrace back in the upside direction. Okay, we missed two trading opportunity. Both are based upon similar trading opportunity, and I think now I will wait for another retracement. But the reason why I did not place my trade here on this setup is because the confirmations were not very strong. We have the strong candle, but the previous candle was bigger, so I was not sure about this setup. On this candle we also have rejection, so I was not sure about it. This candle also closes at a previously rejected level, so all of these factors does not give me the confidence to place a trade, and that's why I avoided this setup. But according to our analysis, the price, if it's not breaking the zone, it will reverse, and the same thing is happening. On this particular candle, I missed the trading opportunity because I failed to place the trade at the right time. This was a good confirmation candle. My entry should be here, but because I was late, I failed to capitalize on this particular trading opportunity. The price is retracing back again. Let's target trade here again. If price gave another trading opportunity, I will instantly take a trade. Let's wait. Price hit the resistance. This time I will place a trade. If there is no breakout in the next 27 seconds, the candle will close. Let's open the 5-second chart because I don't want to be late on this setup. Now this is a strong confirmation. You can see this candle is a strong confirmation, bigger than the previous candle, but still the 1 minute candle closing is far. And okay, now I have placed my trade because the 1 minute candle closes You can see this 1 minute candle closes below the resistance without a breakout, and if there is no breakout, the price should reverse. To place a reversal trade, I need confirmation on 5-second chart, and on 5-second chart we have this clear confirmation, and I got the opportunity to place the trade at the very level, so I instantly place the trade as soon as the 1 minute candle closes. We already missed 2 trading opportunities here, and I don't want to miss that setup again because it was a clearly visible setup. Chances of reversal were high because there was no breakout. Now last 15 seconds are remaining, and you can see that price reverses. Our analysis is correct today on all the 4 setup, in which we use 2 trading opportunity, one from this particular time and the second one is from this particular set of time. We missed 2 trading opportunities here, in which this 1 minute candle closes below the resistance without a breakout, and this bullish candle also closes without a breakout. Both of these candles you can see are red candle, bearish candle showing reversal, but because of my fault on this particular setup, I missed this trade, and this was not a very confident trade because the confirmation candles formations were not according to my need, and that's why I avoided the setup here. So all in all, I took 2 trades today. Both are based upon a single trading strategy, in which price was trying to break a resistance zone. Price failed to break. The 1 minute candle closes below the resistance, and then I opened the 5-second chart to find selling confirmation. I found selling confirmation here, so I place a trade. After that, the price reverses. I found selling confirmation here, and I place the trade, and the price reverses here also. I found confirmation here as well, but I was late, so I didn't place the trade, and here the confirmation part was missing. So the analysis in both the trades are same, the strategy is same, and our analysis went absolutely correct on today's session. So that is it for today. I have taken 2 trades. Both are in the profit. I hope you learned the concept that I used on this particular session, and will try to replicate the same while trading. That is it for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow with new trades, new opportunities. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.